So how to install the operating system? That is the topic. But before that, where we install the operating system? So we already have a laptop with Windows operating system, right? So you don't want to format the hard disk, but you want to install Linux operating system. You don't want to disturb your Windows because just for practice purpose, no one will format the hard disk. So what we can do is we have a software called VMware. Okay, so you can download this software. I already installed it. You can download this software. Here you can create virtually computer. Virtual computer you can create here. See, I already created many computers I have, if you observe. So like this, you can create virtual computers using this software. You can create virtual computers. Okay, so there you can install whatever operating system you want. If you have Windows 7 operating system, download VMware 12 Pro. If you have Windows 8, you can download VM 13 Pro. If you have Windows 10, VMware 15 Pro. If you have Windows 11, VMware 16 or 17 Pro you can download, but I prefer 16 Pro only. So download this VMware. Okay, so once VMware is downloaded, just install it. Next, finish only. You can install it easily. So once you install, you'll get the screen like this. Okay, so in home screen here, it will show create new virtual machine, or here you can see new virtual machine. So I'm creating virtually one computer. I will install the operating system later. Which operating system you want to install? You can install that operating system. So I'm going with Linux. Next. So you can give any name to your virtual machine. Done. Click on browse. Click on browse. Now here, click on this PC. And after that, where you have free space, select that partition. I have multiple partitions. Here I have space. Select this. Click on make a new folder. Give any name to this folder. Okay. Now select that folder which you created. Now click on next. Now how much space you want to give? 40 GB space I'm dedicating to that folder. It is like our hard disk now. Select store virtual disk as a single file. Next. Finish. That's it. Now one computer is created with 1 GB RAM, 1 processor and 40 GB hard disk. The space what we give for our folder. Okay, so virtual machine is created. So second step. First step is download VMware software and create a virtual machine. Download, install and create virtual machine. Then download Linux operating system ISO file, image file. Okay, I already have that. Now click on CD or DVD. Select use ISO image file. select this option, select the IS4 file and click on OK. So when you join for this Telegram group, I will share this IS4 file and VMware link also I will share with you. Done. Now my virtual computer is ready. So with 40 GB RAM. Now I want 40 GB hard disk, 1 GB RAM, 1 processor. And now I want to install the operating system here. So image also selected. Click on power on this virtual machine. So now select install or upgrade an existing system. Select skip. Using tab button in keyboard, select skip. Enter. Click on next. Select language English. Next. Now, basic storage device or specialized storage device. Select basic storage device. When you are installing operating system in normal desktop machine or laptop, you can go with basic storage device. Like when we are using SATA hard disk, PATA hard disk, SSD hard disk in your computer, go with basic storage device. If you are installing in server hard disk like SAN, RAID hard disk, CASI hard disk, then we go with second option. Now go with first option, basic storage device. Click on next. Now select S, discard any data. Now enter host name. Host name means computer name. In Windows we call computer name. Here we call host name. Host name can be anything. You can give any name. Next. Now select time zone. So Asia Kolkata. Select Asia Kolkata. You can select from map or you can select from here also. Next. Enter root password. Root password means super user password. In Linux, while installing the operating system, it automatically creates super user account. Administrator account, it creates automatically. Okay, so we are just generating the password. Super user login name is root. In Linux, super user login name is root. There is a login name for administrator also, that is root. So we are generating the password to that root account. Create password, confirm password. I give password with 6 characters. Now, next. Use anyway. Select use anyway because the password is with 6 characters. So less characters are there. That's what it is asking like that. Use anyway. Now, select create custom layout. To create partitions as per our requirement. Select create custom layout. Next. Now, so this is total available space. It is showing here. Now, click on create. Standard partition. Create. Now, select forward slash. Enter the size, how much you want to give for your forward slash. I'm giving 10 GB space. 10,000 means 10 GB space. I'm giving to my forward slash. Still free space is there. Click on create. Standard partition. Create. Now again, click on mount point. /boot. Enter the size 200 to 500 MB space you can give to boot. So you can leave it like that or you can increase. I'm giving 300 MB. Okay. Click on free. Create. Standard partition. Create. Now select /home. Enter the size. I'm giving 10 GB space. Okay. Again, still free space is there. Click on create. Standard partition. Create. Now, if you observe, file system type is there. So here click. Select swap from file system type. Now enter the size. I'm giving 2 GB. 2000 means 2 GB. Swap is twice the RAM, double of the RAM. Okay, so still space is there. Using this space, you can create partitions here. After entering to the operating system also, you can use that space and create partitions. So I'm not using that space now. Next, now, format. Write changes to disk. Swap is a virtual memory, which is used to increase the speed of RAM. So while installing the operating system in Linux, we create swap memory. It is a virtual memory. And the size of swap is twice the RAM, double of the RAM. Is that clear, Omkar? Then next. So those who registered, take a Telegram link also. So once you get the link, message me there. I will share the ISO file, virtual machine link, everything I will share there. Now select desktop so that you can see GUI. You can use GUI. Next. So now installation process is started. It will take a bit time to complete this. So like this, you can install the OS. Let it complete. So after installing the operating system only, we can practice whatever we want. So from now, regularly practicals will be there from tomorrow onwards. So try to install the OS in your machines to do the practicals.
Can I ask one question? Hello.
only this installation process will take time. That too, I have many virtual machines. So it is taking time for you. It will not take that much time. I have multiple machines here. No, that's why it is taking time.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Then click on reboot. Reboot means restart. When you are doing this process, if you can't see your mouse, if you are unable to move your mouse, use Control Alt. Then it will show the mouse. Click on forward. Forward means next. License agreement, forward. Enter username. This is normal user. You can create a user with any name. Enter username and create the password. I'm just giving single character password if you observe. Confirm and click on forward. It is giving here chosen password is too weak because I just give single character. Still I want to continue. Yes. Select date and time. Forward. Okay. Finish. That's it. Installation process is completed. So now your PC is ready to work. So this is your login screen. What is this? System one means host name. Name while installing the operating system, what we give, that it will show here. And Jack is user, which we created manually, normal user. If you want to log in into super user means we'll click on other. So how to log in into super user? After logging into super user, where we execute commands, how to execute commands, this all I'll show in tomorrow's session. Okay, so this is about OS installation. Make sure your PCs are ready with OS. So download VMware software. As per this, download VMware software. Okay, install. Then download ISO image also. Then install the OS. Then you can start practicing with me. Those who want ISO image, VMware links, if you want means you can message me on the Telegram. Once you registered, ask them for the Telegram group. They will give you the Telegram group. So from there, if you have any doubts, you can message me. while doing the practicals. If you have any doubts also, you can message me on Telegram. Okay. So this is about today's session, OS installation. Tomorrow, I'll start basic commands. So thank you for this session. We'll meet tomorrow.